here. This is I had a, oh my god, how much should I make? Honey, have to do. Oh my god. Huh? I just have to grab. How much? Huh? 10? Oh my god, guys, this is my first time. Huh?
She said she made enough for 2 pizzas, so
What's
maybe
that?
I think that's not enough.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna put the whole thing in there? That's not enough. Maybe you need to put the whole thing in there.
Maybe this. Huh? This gonna be too thick.
You want it a little bit thick.
Okay, put more. Okay, it's
Just use all of it.
supposed to go. Huh?
Will it be
That's
too much? I think she said there's just enough for 2.
alright.
Probably should boil it all up together again. Is that gonna work?
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe just like that, I guess. That'll be fine.
Toast. Guys, look at this. Ooh, boo. I have to do the timer. 400 degree. It's okay. Oh my god. The dough, guys, made by Elizabeth. Yung ano dahil ni? Toast. Huh? What if it's not right? Alright. Honey, it's not right. It's not like properly round. It's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. Sauce. I don't know if I'm doing it right, guys. It's my first time. Bahala na ni kung saan na ni resulta ani. Did I do it right? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay. Then, here, I put a little cheese. A little cheese before the pepperoni. I have a lot of pepperoni. I'm making use of my pepperoni here. I think it's good. I have a lot of pepperoni. So, and then put more cheese, generous, not too much, and then I'll put some colorful, cook for 10 minutes. So guys, we will see how it's gonna turn out. And she have this oregano. Maybe I'll sprinkle also na. Oh my goodness, look at my beautiful. It's not yet cooked. I'm waiting for the oven. It's cooked na and looks so good. Yummy, 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 yum. Let it cool down, guys. It's still hot. So far, it's good. Let's go. It's gonna be yummy. The dough is handmade by Elizabeth. She saved us some dough for us. And now it's time to try thick crust. Medyo basa pa sa gitna. I think it's good.
How does it look?
It looks good.
Is it belly or cooked all the way?
I'm sure it's cooked all the way. It's cooked, darling. It's cooked, darling, my love.
Oh, yeah?
It's just a thick.
Are you recording or live?
I'm recording. He's gonna hide. Don't hide, darling. It's a thick cut. Or it's a thick dough. But let's try.